Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning about trigonometric functions of any angle. In this first video, we're just going to look at general definitions of trigonometric functions. So before we were looking at just right triangles, and we learned that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, and then cosecant, secant, and cotangent were those but flipped. That is still the case, but now we're going to be using something that looks a little bit different here when we will be given a point. So let theta be an angle in standard position, and let xy be the point where the terminal side of theta intersects the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And then we have the following 6 trigonometric functions. So first, just to look at this in a picture view, I see right here in red, I have my angle theta that is drawn, and we have this circle here. And so I see that my radius is r, and that is also my hypotenuse, because I have drawn here a right triangle into this picture. And then I have the point xy. And so here we get the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, because first that's the equation of the circle, but then also that is from our Pythagorean theorem. And that is because with this point xy, that means that this length here is x and this length here is y. And so I get that equation. And so we end up with these following definitions for sine and so on. So sine of theta is going to equal to y over r, because that is my opposite over hypotenuse from looking at it with this angle right here. Cosine of theta is going to be x over r, and tangent of theta is going to be y over x, where x is not equal to 0. Because remember, we cannot have 0 in the denominator. If we do, then it's just going to be undefined. And then cosecant, secant, and cotangent are just going to be those flipped. So cosecant is sine flips. That's going to be r over y, where y does not equal to 0. Secant is going to be r over x, where x can't equal 0. And cotangent is going to be x over y, where y is not equal to 0. And these functions can also be called circular functions. So in this next video, we'll look at applying this to find the values of the 6 trigonometric functions.